Good morning, everybody. I'm at Walmart on this crappy, cold, rainy day, which I know we will have a snowstorm. There has to be another snowstorm coming. But I am at Walmart, excited to do some Walmart digital couponing. I just checked out my Weekend Warrior. I need 18 rebates to hit a $5 reward. Probably not gonna happen. There's another bonus that's gonna end like in a couple days. That's not even close to being done. But I'm still excited to do some shopping at Walmart. So if you guys are new to my channel, hi, hello. My name is Jennifer and I love helping people save money. So what I do is I go throughout the store, I show you guys deals that you guys can do. Everything is 100% digital. The only thing is, there are some deals that I do with Ibotta and the Shopium app, or you could do Ibotta and Swagbucks, or Ibotta in the Alexa, but they're all it's all up to your discretion. Some of them say that you can't use it with coupons. I try to share with you guys as many possible deals. I know a lot of people do it this way, but again, it's up to your discretion. As long as you're not submitting the same coupon on Swagbucks, on Shopium, on Alexa, as long as you only redeem it once for one item, you guys are fine. But let's go inside this store and see what we can get today at Walmart. So here we have the box of the Poise pads. These are $10.12 for this one. What you're gonna do is you're gonna submit your receipt to the ShopKicks app, where you get 510 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $2.04. You can also submit your receipt to the Shopium app, where you get $5 back off of one. And I did scan a lot of the smaller ones, but those don't count. But this one you will get $5 back. And then again, that's up to your discretion if you guys want to do that. But then there's also a $2 Ibotta rebate. So this comes out to be from $10.12 to $1.08. $1.08. Awesome deal. So I'm going to share with you guys two different scenarios. But here we have the Kotex pads for $5.68. You're going to buy two of them. You would pay $11.36 for that. But you can submit your receipt to the Shopium app for $2 off of two. Then you can also submit your receipt to ShopKicks, where you get 450 kicks each, so, and that comes out to be $1.80. So you get both $1.80 times two. Then you can also submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you get $1 back. So you'll get $2 back, and you can use coupons with this. So your final price for just this item comes out to be just $3.76, or $1.88. Or you guys can use get these liners for $5.64. You would end up paying just $11.28. But again, you can submit your receipt to Ibotta, where you get $1 back times two. Then you can also submit your receipt, I'm going to delete this picture. You can also submit your receipt where you get 450 kicks, which is $1.80 times two. And then you guys can submit your receipt to the Shopium app, where you get $2 off of two, making this $3.68, or just $1.84. I'm actually going to get one of each, because why not? But it's a pretty decent deal for some Kotex. So here's an easy freebie that you guys can do. We have the Gain Fabreze Gain for $1.97. There is currently a Ibotta rebate for $2.30. As long as it scans, you guys should get your money for it. So you pay $1.97, you get $2.30 back, making them just a 33-cent moneymaker. So I'm going to share with you guys two different scenarios that you can do for the Axe deodorant. So we have the regular Axe, just $4.97. You're going to buy two of them and you will pay $9.94. But we currently have a Shopium deal where you get 6 off of 2. Then you can also submit your receipt where you get $2 back off of 2 times 2, making both of these a 6-cent moneymaker. Another one you could do is you could buy 2 of the $5.97, the 5 fragrance, and you would pay $11.94. submit your receipt to the Shopify app where you get 6 off of 2. Then you could also submit your receipt where you get $3 back times 2 with Ibotta, making this final price a 6-cent moneymaker. Or you can buy 2 of them. I'm gonna buy 1 of each and I will end up paying $10.94, but then I'll submit my receipt to the Shopify app where I get 6 off of 2, and then I will get one $2 back and one $3 back with Ibotta, again making it a 6-cent moneymaker. So here we have the Dove Vitamin Care deodorant, or we have the whole body deodorant. I'm not seeing the one that I want, but anyways, these are both $11.98. Now we currently have a $5 Ibotta rebate for the Vitamin Care, and then there's also a $5 rebate with Ibotta for the whole body. So it just depends on what you want to do, but there is a limit of 1 digital coupon with the Shopify app where you get $4 back. So these end up becoming, it's either one or the other, but these end up becoming $2.98. So if you guys need to try a new deodorant, definitely go ahead and try it, but pretty okay deal. Another option you can do with the Fabreze is we have this small bottle of the Fabreze fabric spray, the lilac ones. These are $3.24. There is that Ibotta rebate, so you either can get that little travel size or this one for $2.30, making this just 94 cents. I think I'm gonna get this one instead of the little spray bottle, but 94 cents for some spray is a pretty decent deal. Here we have the Glade spray for $2.28. There is an Ibotta rebate for $1 back, making it just $1.28. I haven't gotten Glade in forever, so yeah, this one sounds delicious. Bubbly berry splash. How come they don't have that one? Man. So here we have the Starbucks triple shot energy drinks for $3.24. There is a $2.50 Ibotta rebate, making that just 74 cents a can, which is a pretty great deal, and it is a limit of 5 if you guys need to get more. Here we have the toaster strudels. I've been craving these, so I'm getting these. They are currently $2.96, but there is a $1 rebate. It is a limit of 1. So $1 rebate, making it just $1.96, but then I also have a 10-cent any frozen meal. So it ends up becoming like $1.86, which is a pretty decent deal. Well, hello everybody. I am back from Walmart. I really wanted to film in the car, but it was raining and it would have been super loud. And I'm like, okay, so no filming in the car. But yes, I went to Walmart. Everything went by smoothly. Like I said, it's pretty much all digital coupons. Funny thing is, last week I submitted my receipt to Shopify and it took me until, was it yesterday or the day before that I got my money? Today I submitted my receipt to Shopify and I got it right away. I don't understand why Shopify sometimes takes a week or sometimes it takes 1 week or like a minute, not even. But yeah, that's just crazy. So I got everything that I shared with you guys. I was trying to find some of the freebies that are in the Ibotta app, but my store doesn't carry them. My store had, or on Ibotta last night, it showed that it had there was Colgate deals, and I had them all written down, ready to go, and then I get to the store, and the deals just disappeared. It didn't even say that it was ending in like an hour or hours or anything last night. It just disappeared. I hate when they do that, but that is okay. But yeah, I submitted my receipt for everything. My total came to $56.37. $56.37. Now I always pay with my gift cards through my apps. So I either redeem from Swagbucks, Ibotta, Shopkicks, yeah. Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards does take a couple days to get it, but all those other apps, and then if you guys want to, you can also put them in your Walmart Pay, so you can add gift cards to it. I think it's a limit of 5 gift cards, but if you guys want to like pre-do that, go for it. Just make sure you put like $1 cash or something in the machine when you do pay, or if you go to the register, so you can get a physical receipt. Because sometimes when you do the Walmart Pay, you get a digital receipt. So just, I always, if I'm gonna do something like that, I always will just put like $1 or a couple cents in there so it prints out an actual receipt. But $56.37, I got $20.90 back with Ibotta. So I feel like Ibotta is still, again, one of my favorite apps. I have loved Ibotta for years, but I feel like the deals are just not as great, because a lot of them are the same deals that you can get with like Shopium or Swagbucks. I feel like it's more of a couponing app now than it is like Rebates, where you can stack stuff on top of each other. But I still am not complaining. I still love Ibotta. I just miss those days when I used to get like a ton of money back, but it'll come back. It'll come back. But $20.90 back with Shopkick. Shopium, I received 17 bucks. And I got $17 back right away. Shopkick, I received 1,440 points, which is $5.76. So last week when I was filming in the Snuggle aisle, I was filming and then they just disappeared. And then one of you guys said they came back like the next day. I still have yet to send a message to Shopkick, but it's like, really, like, why they just disappear for like a little bit and then they come back. But yeah. $5.76 I got back with Shopkick. Fetch Rewards, I submitted my receipt and I only got 35 points, which is 3 cents. I don't feel like you get points from like Unilever anymore. It used to be like all Unilever brands. Now I feel like it's specific items. Fetch is just not as great as what they used to be either. But we'll see. It is. Make sure you guys are scanning your receipts. I have made it a thing where like every Monday I scan every single receipt. Like I have a spot where I put any receipt that I get all week long and I just scan them. I've been really gaining a lot of money with my little apps that I have just by scanning receipts. Like the Amazon one, you don't have to do anything to it. But between like Coinout and there is Receipt Hog and Receipt Pal, I've been really gaining those points with every receipt possible, you guys. Like, I couldn't believe it. I used to like redeem like once a year. Now it's going on 2 or 3 times a year because I'm just making sure I scan every single receipt. The only one I slack at is the P&G one. But if you guys are wondering what I'm talking about, I have a couple videos that show you all the apps that I use. But yeah. And then my grand total from $56.37 came all the way down to $12.68. I always try to make it under 10, but that's considering how much things cost these days. I'm pretty happy with that. So $12.68. I ended up getting 13 items at just 97 cents each. So I did put that small Fabreze bottle back, and I ended up getting the normal size Fabreze. And then I did get 2 different Kotex, and I got 2 different Axe body or deodorants, just because, again, I wanted to just drew that stuff. But yeah, I got 10 Ibotta rebates that I showed with everything. So I ended up saving $43.69. So I'll take it. 43, that's over 50% off. That's almost 70% off, or 75 maybe, I don't know. I can't do percentages in my head that fast enough, but I really am excited on what I got. I can't believe summer is almost here, you guys. Like, spring should be here any day. We got St. Patrick's Day coming up this weekend, or is it this weekend or Monday or something? And then Easter's right around the corner. It is crazy, but I hope you guys have an awesome shopping weekend. Hopefully you guys can hit those bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.